Hi everyone, this is Mohan. I'm here to explain the details about the upcoming CA Foundation and CMA Foundation long-term batch, which is likely to commence on August 29. Before I conclude, before I start discussing about the long-term batch, first of all, let me start with the kinds of batches we have, the kinds of coaching we have or we offer for CA Foundation and CMA Foundation students. The first one is the regular batch, otherwise popularly called as CA Foundation regular batch, which is meant for the students who are going to take the coaching for the first time. The second one is the crash batch, CA Foundation or CMA Foundation crash batch, meant for the repeaters. Whosoever failed in the examinations can take coaching in crash batch. This is exclusively meant for those students who haven't qualified in the results and want to take the coaching again. And the third one is long-term batch. Long-term batch is otherwise popularly called as 10 months batch. As you all know that the cutoff date for getting registered for the upcoming December 2021 examination is already completed both for CA and CMA Foundation courses. As a result of that, the students, though interested to take admission for the CA Foundation and CMA Foundation right now, are not eligible for December 2021 examinations for the reason that they're not eligible for the upcoming December 2021 examination for the reason that the registration date have been expired. The registration date have been completed. So thereby, having no option, the students, if interested to join for CA Foundation or CMA Foundation right now, have an option to appear for the June 2022 examination instead of December 2021. So this batch, otherwise called as long-term batch, otherwise called as 10 months batch, is available both for CA Foundation and CMA Foundation students. And the students can appear for the CMA Foundation examinations or CA Foundation examinations, not in December 2021, but in June 2022 examination. And this batch is more comfortable or more convenient for those students who are waiting for their MSET results or NSET examinations. And those students who are written their MSET are going to write their MSET examinations. Obviously, will be showing interest towards CA or CMA if they won't get a desirable rank in their MSET results. Same is the case with IIT examination or IIT JEE appearing students and IIT JEE aspirants, and also those students who are going to appear for their NEET examinations. Say, for example, a student who appeared for the IIT JEE examination, and after getting the result, the student is not satisfied with the rank he obtained. He is not able to get a desirable result or a desirable rank. In such a case, the student will be having two options. By compromising, the student can take admission for BTech or BCom or BSc course, or instead of compromising, the student can definitely choose CA or CMA as a best opportunity or a best option compared to taking admission for BTech or BCom or BSc courses. So this batch is meant for, I mean to say the long-term batch, CA Foundation or CMA Foundation long-term batch is meant for those students who are waiting for the MSET results or IIT JEE results or NEET results, or having applied for the MSET or IIT JEE or NEET, but haven't got a desirable result or a desirable rank. My dear students, since from the last year, I mean to say 2020, we have been offering all our courses in two different verticals. One is COB and CPB. COB stands for Complete Online Batch, and CPB stands for Complete Physical Batch. So in COB, we'll be offering all our coaching. Only in online mode, that too in live interactive mode, in simple to say in Zoom app. Now, don't think that we'll be offering our online coaching just by sending a video recording classes or video links. Definitely, Mastermind is unique in this approach. Instead of offering the classes through video recorded classes, we have been conducting the live interactive classes from day one till the completion of the syllabus for COB students. After completion of the syllabus, for the COB students will be given two options: to continue in the online mode for the revision examination services that we offer, or they can come and attend the revision examinations physically at their nearest campuses. Say, for example, a student of Amirpeta branch had taken admission for COB. Now, after completion of the syllabus, the Amirpeta branch will be given to Amirpeta branch student will be given two options. One, to continue the revision examination services after finishing the syllabus in online mode itself, or he or she can attend for the revision examination services physically at Amirpeta branch. I mean to say the mother branch at which he or she has taken the admission. My dear students, both the COB and CPB batches, I mean to say the complete online batch and complete physical batches are available at all our branches apart from the central office, that is at Guntur. And I would like to inform that the hostel facility is available at Guntur, both for boys and girls separately. My dear, during this pandemic time, I honestly admit that there is a little uncertainty about the continuation of the hostels till the June 2022 without any interruption. There is a little uncertainty about the continuation of the hostels without any interruption till June 2022. And in such a case, the parents may be in dilemma to make the full payment of the hostel fees at the time of joining itself. So as a win-win situation, we have made it as a policy for allowing the students to make the payment of the hostel fees in 4 installments, as against the old policy of making the payment of hostel fees in just 1 or 2 installments. Dear students, you might have observed that the CMA Foundation classes or coaching is not only available at central office, but it is available at all our branches. See, earlier we used to offer the CMA Foundation coaching only at central office. Nowadays, we have been offering the CMA Foundation coaching at all our branches, including the central office. However, as you all know that we have branches at Nijampet, Amirpet, Dilshuk Nagar, LB Nagar, Vanastalpuram, Vizag Daba Gardens, Gajuwaka of Vizag, and NAD Junction of Vizag, and Vijayawada Ramavarpadu, Vijayawada Mogalrajpuram, Vijayawada Lapipet, Nellore, Kurnool, Rajahmundry, Tirupati, apart from Guntur. However, this CMA Foundation and CA Foundation long-term batch is available only at the following branches. The first one is Amirpet, second one is Dilshuk Nagar, third one is Vizag main branch, that is at Daba Gardens, Rajahmundry, Vijayawada main branch, that is at Mogalrajpuram, and Kurnool, Tirupati, Nellore, and of course at central office, that is Guntur as well. And for COB batch, I mean to say the complete online batch, majority of the faculty will be from Guntur. And I just want to repeat that for COB batch, we are not going to offer the classes through video recorded classes or through YouTube links. We are going to offer the classes in a live interactive mode. The classes will be through Zoom app. And as I just told you, after completion of the syllabus, the revision examinations will be conducted for a period of nearly 3 months. I mean to say, the coaching is likely to be completed by end of February 2022, and the service of revision examinations and doubts clarification will be held or will be offered from March 2022 to June 2022. Will be offered nearly for a period of 3 months, March, April, and May. Sorry, will be offered nearly for a period of 4 months, March, April, May, and June. And if circumstances permit us, we will conduct the revision examinations and study hours physically. And if circumstances doesn't permit us, obviously we'll run the revision examination services in online mode. And please do know that even for CPB, I mean to say the complete physical batch, definitely we are going to start the classes in physical mode only. But for the first 15 days, we are going to offer the classes only in online mode. So after completion of the 15 days, the students will be asked to report physically at their respective campuses. But wait, just a minute. Even after commencement of the physical classes, say for example, if the situations become adverse, if there is a spike in the number of COVID cases being reported, in such a case, temporarily, I repeat, temporarily, we are going to convert the CPB, complete physical batch, also to complete online batch. So we suspend the offline classes and we conduct the classes in online mode on temporary basis till the situations gets under control. And my dear students, we are offering this batch at a very affordable fees. I request all our existing students as well as the old students of Masterminds to kindly pass on this message about the CA Foundation and CMA Foundation long-term batch, which we are likely to commence on August 29, 2021. And this is for June 2022 attempt. And we are going to have a new batch on every Monday. We're going to have a new batch on every Monday. And since 2019, that is since from last 2 years, we have not increased our coaching fees because of this pandemic situation. And my dear students, we have offered this long-term batch for CA Foundation and CMA Foundation even in the year 2020 as well. And if I remember correctly, we have started that batch on September 1st of 2020. And with the support of our team members and our students, both existing as well as the old students, we are able to grab a very good number. We are able to grab a very good number of admissions, which is almost 300, which is almost near to 300, or which is almost 300 plus. My dear students, our coaching fees is subject to GST, meaning to say that our coaching fees is subject to GST, meaning to say that we are supposed to collect the amount of GST from you and remit the same to the government of India. But in this pandemic time, as a policy matter, would like to extend our support to the students and as well as the parents community, and therefore we have been making the payment of GST without collecting even a single rupee from the students community since from the last year. So I'll just show you. So this is the payment receipt towards the payment of GST we have made in the month of March 2021 for the collections what we had in February 2021 in for AP operations. The amount is to an extent of 62 lakhs. Apart from that, we have made the payment of GST for the operations we had in Telangana for the same month. I mean to say for February 2021, and the payment has been made in the next month. I mean to say March 2021 to an extent of 7,82,000. Put together, these two amounts to nearly 70 lakhs. I would like to repeat that we haven't collected the same from the students community either to an extent of 1 rupee. The entire amount of GST has been paid out of a pocket. And as you are aware, as you are aware of this fact that this amount of GST that we have paid is only for a month of February 2021, not for the entire year. And I hope all of you are aware of this fact that GST is an indirect tax. We are supposed to make the payment of GST by collecting the same from our students and parents. Okay, let me continue. My dear students, before I conclude, I would like to share the achievements that we had in the CA Foundation examinations. So in the last 3 results declared in the year 2019 and 2020, our students have secured 40 All India ranks, 40 All India ranks out of the top 50 ranks that will be declared in general at CA Foundation level. And this includes best rank of All India, second rank. And I'd like to give the complete credit to our students community. And in 2020, I'm thankful to our old students. In 2020, our student by name Pranit, Guru Bhaskar and Deepak Jain has secured 3 All India first ranks in CA and CMA examinations. Pranit has secured All India first rank in CA final. Guru Bhaskar has secured All India first rank in CMA final. And Deepak has secured All India first rank in CMA inter. And it is my humble appeal, dear students and parents, when you think of taking admission into Masterminds, give more importance to our experience and our commitment than to our ranks. And I need not remind you, we have been functioning, we have been operating, we have been offering the coaching for CA Foundation and CMA Foundation since from the year 2002. It's been 19 years plus. So thanks to everyone. For more details, you can call to 98851-25025 or 98851-25026. God bless you. All the best.